Hello again. After we have seen in the last lectures how to create a backdoor and how to start listening to it, let me show you today how to move this backdoor from one machine to another, to a virtual machine in the VirtualBox, and we'll start to get some new commands for the file system and other tasks. The easiest way is to put it in the web server directory to move it through the web server web page. Normally, after we generate the backdoors, it will be in this folder under File System, var, then Libraries, then under Wheel, then under the output, compiled. These are the backdoors which I have already created, and the last one I create is this one under 8080 port and the IP 192.168.8.101. so just you need to copy this and you need to put it in the web server directory under var, then www under HTML. Just make a directory here or a folder and just give it any name. Let's say cool, and keep the backdoor inside. Now if you go to the target machine, to Windows 10, just open the web browser and go to the Kali machine IP and put the folder name after this. Then you can see this one, just one click and you can download it.